Okay, so for this problem, it wants us to identify the greatest common factor and then factor it out. So I'm going to break this into two parts. We have 12 times e to the z minus 15 ze to the z. All right. So I'm going to start by factoring each of these terms. 12 factors as 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we have e to the z. All right. The second term factors as 3 times 5 times z times e to the z. All right. So the greatest common factor is the biggest number that's in both of these. So I'm just going to start circling stuff that's in both of them. This 3, there's a 3 in both of them. There's an e to the z in both of them. And it looks like that's the only two things that they have in common. This 5z is in this term, but it's not in this term. So it's not a common factor. This 2 and 2, there's not another 2 over here, so it's not a common factor. So the greatest common factor, my GCF, is 3 times e to the z. All right. Now, whenever I factor this out, all that's going to be left is just the stuff that's not in red. So we're going to have 3 times e to the z times 2 times 2 is 4 minus 5 times z is 5z. And this would be it after I factor out the GCF, and this is my GCF.